moonlight that breaks through the darkness. Never back down or prepare for destruction. I can handle that. You can't run from my arrow. Where do you think you're going? Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering we'll go through. May the moon forever shine upon us. Watch your back.
Good morning, guys! Here are some glimpses of our activities in Gorky Park. Gorky Park is located in Almaty, Kazakhstan. It is one of the popular urban parks that is situated in the city. It is known for its recreational activities, beautiful landscapes, and cultural events.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's Come on. 谢谢你让我每天能够爱你100次，这不是一个草率的决定。人们都嘲笑我爱人的方式太幼稚，就像童话中的故事。我们都过着比过去复杂的日子 ，Follow me, follow me, follow me。那是因为曾经心动的声音被喧闹世事渐渐远离去，心跳起来，跳跳跳跳，为你而跳跳跳跳跳 ，you 跳跳跳跳，100次心跳跳跳跳跳 ，Love you every day。Oh oh 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 baby baby。
Wild yak. It's too far. Let me try to zoom. It's very far. Hi there, Mr. Yak. How are you doing? You're alone? That's so lame. And here's, let me check what's, para sa akin, ordinaryong horse lang siya. Przewalski horse. There. Kawawa tong lion na to, yung partner niya iniwan siya. So lonely siya. Yung lioness wala, no? Where?
Yung lioness.
Ah, andun sa taas. Oy, magkahiwalay sila. Naghiwalay na. Naghiwalay na. Ayun, dito pala sa side nito. Wala silang offspring. Andun, hindi ko siya makita kasi natatago siya. Ang lungkot ng lion na to. Bactrian camel, right there. Hi! Here you will see guanaco.
Guanaco.
Nandito po tayo sa
Swan Lake.
Placid Lake. So, be careful. Kasi crocodiles might attack. Alligator.
Wala pang crocodile. Ang mga buaya wala dito, nasa Senado.
Ayun o, laging may hugot sa Senado. Si Sir Murphy.
May eagle.
Where? Bakit kinukulong nila ng ganun kababa? Supposedly dapat mataas yan na hawla. No?
Tawagan natin yung government.
This one, it's called caracal. It's the one who, paano ba? Yung naghihis siya palagi. Some people, they keep it as an animal, pero hindi dapat. See, these are wild animals, wild cats. I would like to ask your opinion about animals that are captive by humans. What can you say about it?
Ano yung mga animals captured by humans?
Oo.
Well, there are animals that should be taken care of by the human, by the people. And there are animals that should be
Just on their...
that should be in the wild.
Just like,
For example, this giraffe.
they should be.
They should be. And also
In the wild.
animals. The wild animals is really dangerous, especially in this area where people lives. Where people live.
How about you, Mr. John? Sir John, what can you say about these animals being hostage? Hostage naman ngayon. Hostage by these people.
Well, let's imagine what if
You are the...
we were the we call that captive.
Tapos makikita mo yung sarili mo nandyan ka, sir, oh.
Ano lang.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa mga kamag-anakan ko.
Sino nakausap mo dyan?
Yung mga kamag-anakan ko nandun na. Ay, naku, sir. para sa akin, ito yung pinaka-miserable na lugar or sanctuary ng mga monkeys kasi masyadong masikip yung lugar nila, tapos maamoy na, kulob yung amoy, tapos mainit sa loob. Pero tingin ko, ito lang yung temporary shelter nila during the winter season. Kaya siguro dito sila inilagay. So sana nga ito lang yung temporary lugar nila during winter. March 17. Yep. We are taking a break kasi pagod na kami. Sakit ang paa.
说。